Tanama sana. Unataduru sana kote.
Vale.
Coca di.
Yes. Ferme la bouche.
Ne bouge pas mon roi. Bien. Ça va, hein?
Today we're gonna make tapao. Tapao is a very tasty Garifuna Caribbean dish made with coconut milk and a lot of love, most important, that's what my wife says. And we're gonna start with opening and breaking a coconut. We're gonna learn how to make a coconut milk. Next step, take out the trash. Okay, now I'm gonna take this stuff and add some warm water to it. What we do, we squeeze the coconut trash. The juice fused with the water and it creates the coconut milk. This is a traditional Garifuna sip. What we do is we're gonna try to get as much of this coconut milk out of this trash. This is very important in the Garifuna food. Well, I'm gonna wash these vegetables and I'm gonna cut them up. I'm just gonna cut up the vegetables a little bit more. I was just cleaning them, peeling them up, making sure they're all clean. I'm gonna turn on the stove and fry some onions and then add some milk and then start making tapado soup. The onion is so fried a little bit. Now we're gonna add some milk to it so that it can all blend up, give it authentic Garifuna taste. I'm sure it's like this. Pre-fry the fish first and then add it to the soup so it can boil with in the coconut milk and soak it up as well. We're gonna leave this in here for a couple minutes so they can fry up a little bit. I'm gonna make these guys well browned and real nice on the other side. Then we flip it around, give it a little bit of time. I'm gonna add some tomatoes and onions and cabbage to spice up the soup, you know. Did you get? Here we have the world famous tapao.
그러면 시워지 안나 그냥 그런데 돌려면 사장님 그래서 그만 많이
아이고 그때 시를 해봐라.
희잖아.
많이 가
가해 그럴 건 그러지래.
거기가 옷을 입고 가나래.
그래서 따고 뻗어줘. 손을 뻗는 거 보면 밖에 파라지는.
이거 막 되지도 이게 뭐 그때 저쪽에 남자잖아.
그래서 뭐 끌어졌네. 뭐 무시를 해줌라. 나머지를 뭐라고 무시를 쌤 뽀뽀하대요.
나리요 얘가 힘과 말하지 들어 보기는
뭐 살림
이거 하나에
대박. 누가 웃던 거 근데 그거 하고 사람들이요. 그냥 그냥 대단하고 깨서 그래서 넣어서 그래도
한나히
아, 근데 또 되고.
وانا احسن عليه شوف مش انا وانا في كل ذاك انا اسوي اقول لك
تعالي البيت
انا
ادليش
نعم اسوي
خلينا تعالي دوش جيبينا اسوي لك فيها حالش هذا نجمه ما ماكلش
ما باي ماكله تو
ماشي ها خذي عشان قاس اصور تلميذ دش عاد بشرى عندها 4 عاد بشرى عندها 4 دخلت تضميد استاذه
ما شاء الله زين
شيء عميدة ما زبوني
باغي احمد
like this huh
Вот есть родим для нее.
Fly Emirates. Ah, c'est non. Yango sale vili.
Hey.
That's a Navajo wild herb tea that is found in the up on the mesa here that she picks during the spring.
I keep being struck by the mix of the tradition and the new. She's got packaged golden cornbread mix over here, but she goes out and picks her own tea from the bushes. I mean, there's a little bit of both worlds going on, yeah.
Yeah, she pretty much will use what is in the area here. She said the grocery stores are pretty much way out further out there, so she's out of flour right now, so she's going to sell a cow and get some more groceries. And then this is all like dry canned goods that she brings home. And then the rest is all what is grown in the area, like the corn, squash. And then she does have a couple of fruit trees out in the back.
I can't believe the heat that comes off this little thing.
Yeah, this little stove here can give off a lot of heat.
A lot of heat. Yeah. I could tell when I came in the door that it was lit. It's warm.
And now the wood that she burns is all juniper and cedar that is found in the area here.
I noticed there was a smell around the house outside. I could tell that it was a wood burning smell. Yeah, from a fire, yeah. It smells nice. And who cuts all the wood?
Usually one of the boys will come home on the weekends or so, chop all the woods for her.
Oh, the one thing that she doesn't have to do by herself.
Yeah.
I can't believe she can actually do a dinner for a whole family in this little tiny grill. I have a hard time doing it on my 4-burner stove.
Here's a piece of the bread.
Ooh.
Like to try a piece?
Ooh, here, candy. Thank you. Always cornmeal? Now, so when does she use the stove? Because I notice there is a regular stove too.
That's pretty much when we all come down and visit, and we use the stove.
You use the stove.
We use the stove, and we don't use that one here. Now, in a few days here, the kids will be going back to school, and she'll be, by herself again after the vacation or the weekend's over.
So she spends a lot of her time up here all by herself then? Yeah. Does she have a telephone?
She don't have a telephone. When she needs anything, she just drives into town.
You don't worry about her being all by herself up here?
Not really, no.
No?
But I think she pretty much worries about us than her worries about him.
Typical mother. Sounds like popcorn.
Hey, that was the pinion that is found in the area here.
Oh, pine nuts.
It comes out like every 4 or 5 years or so.
Oh, that's all?
Yeah.
No wonder it's so
expensive. It comes out every 4 to 5 years, and it depends on how much rain we get out here.
You're going to roast them and then?
She's going to roast them, yeah. And then some people will put salt in it, salted pinion.
And just eat them like a nut?
And then just eat it like it's sunflower seeds that we have.
Oh, so you take the shell off?
Yeah, you take the shell off, break it open, and then the nuts are cooked. Most of the time, she'll pick pinions to snack on when she's out there herding sheep.
Oh, it's hot. I think after you walk 5 miles to find your sheep, you should get to have a treat.